Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. Today I'm back with another video, another product review, keep it or junk it video. Obviously it says Leatherman, so it's probably not going to be a junket, but we're going to see. I got this for Christmas, and I wanted to do just a quick, before I really opened it, I wanted to do a quick first impressions video. It's a Skeletool. I've seen videos on them, but I've never actually had one in my hand, so we're going to take a quick little look at it. First impression and a review. I've seen a few videos. They're not really bulky. I've seen videos on them, and they don't seem like there's a whole lot to them, but which is kind of good if you don't want to carry around a big, huge, bulky multi-tool. A little bit of paperwork for it, just how to use it, and just simple little things. Don't think we need that though, but all right. And here's the tool. What else it come with? I don't know what else it comes with, but looks like just that. It's kind of cool. Looks like we got a little carabiner here with a bottle opener. Open it up like this. It's got your pliers. So it's got needle nose, regular pliers, and it's got the cutter right down there. So you got multi-functions on that. You've got a little screwdriver bit. This comes out, I think. It's supposed to come out somehow. Maybe I just need to... Oh, you push that little guy right there. Hey, that's how you do it. You push that and it releases it. Cool. So it's got that. Double Phillips. And then I think I saw, yep, right back here, there's another little tool. Another little piece for your flathead screwdriver. And it just slides right into there. Locks in, and you just push on that little guy right there to release. Cool. Let's go back to my Phillips. Which one? Let's go with that one. Drop this back in its little slot right here. It's a cool little deal. And then close it up, and it has knife blade. It looks like it's the half serrated blade. Pretty cool. And that's your lock. It's pretty stiff blade, but you can still open it one-handed if you need to. It's not like a assisted opening, or maybe once I use it, it'll soften up a little, but it's got one-handed. Close it one-handed. Open it one hand. So, nice little tool. I like it. A little belt clip, or not a belt clip, but a pocket clip. So you can slide it in your pocket. You can either hang it off your backpack or your belt loop, or you can just slip it in your pocket and use your little pocket clip right there. But cool. It's a nice little tool. Nice little Christmas present for me. I like it. Let's see, if you want to use the screwdriver, you just open it up like that, and you got your screwdriver. Nice. Might be a little addition to my EDC, because I like it because it's not really very bulky. It's actually kind of small, not super huge. Not like your typical multi-tools that have screwdrivers and pliers and pocket knives and saws and files, and I mean, they're cool. They serve a purpose, but they're not really for, in my opinion, not really great for, you know, everyday carry. Like something like this would be. This would be pretty much perfectly handy for everything you would do on just like a normal everyday basis. I guess the only thing it would be missing is a little flashlight, little light. That would be cool. But anyway, that is the Leatherman Skeletool. See if there's a model on it or anything. Just says Skeletool black and silver, no sheath. I don't know if it really says if there's any kind, because I know there's different models. There's different ones for different applications, because they'll have different blades. I know some are just like a solid blade. The serrations are a little different. Some of them have a little bit different serrations up front, and so I know there's different models of the Skeletool, but I really do like it. I think so far, on a first impression, I think this is going to be definitely a keeper and a addition to my everyday carry rotation. Whether I keep it every day or whether I just put it in my rotation, it will definitely be in the rotation anyway. Anyway, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Before I go, hopefully, like to ask if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Every little bit helps the channel out a ton. I'm growing, but growing not too fast, but growing. That's a good thing. Every little bit helps me put on new videos, better videos. So it costs you nothing, and it sure helps me out a lot. Every little bit counts. And also another thing, I've been getting into a little bit into the stock market and cryptos and stuff like that. I'm not trying to give you any kind of advice, but I just want to say that I use Robinhood and Webull. I'll leave links below if you want to join and use my link. We both get free stock, so it's kind of a win-win there if you're interested in trying the stock market, or if you do the stock market, or if you're just thinking about trying it, and you know, help me out, help you out. Join my links below and we both get free stocks. Can't go wrong. And if you don't want it, don't like the stock, end up not wanting to do it, you just sell it and put the money in your bank account and pocket it. So anyway, that's the Skeletool. And I'll also leave a link down below for one of these if you want to buy one. And that's the video, and I will see you next time.